everyone, my name is Mikoy Buriel from Fullprint Manila. So we customize riding jerseys, no apparels for your riding needs. And we also cater to corporate accounts and corporate requirements. So I started riding motorcycle during siguro 2020 during pandemic, no? And I also saw the opportunity in the motorcycle community. That's why nabuo si Fullprint Manila. So for my motorcycle journeys, nagra-ride ako to tanggalin yung stress and syempre mas ma-relax, no? And also to meet new friends, yan, and to meet new people, yeah. As of now, I have a Vespa Primavera, no? Yung Mickey Mouse edition. And I also have a Triumph Street Twin for my big bike. For sa Vespa, I'm a member of Vespa Club Cavite and also a member of Vespa Federacion Pilipinas. And I'm also currently the marketing of Vespa Pilipinas. It's a organizing body for Vespa enthusiasts. No? We do like mga events per year. And for my big bike, marami-rami rin akong sinasama. You have your Motor Republic, ayan. So, and Cavite Biggie Club. Riding journey, siguro yung memorable ko is when we did the Panay Loop, no? Parang 3 days kaming umikot sa Panay from Katiklan, Capiz, Iloilo hanggang Antique. And then we ended up in Boracay. So, yung experience na yun was very enjoyable and fun kasi ang daming mga nangyari tapos umuulan pa. Yan, parang gano'n. Advice and tips for riders, well, basically, yung safety natin is number one, no? That's why in Fullprint Manila, we promote talaga safety. And also, we sell yung padded riding jersey. So, every time magra-ride ka, kahit papano is protected ka with pads. Isang tip ko pa for the motorcycle riders that wag niyong tipirin yung gears natin kasi yun talaga yung, well, yun talaga yung makasave ng life natin in case of emergency or accident. Absolute Rider, no? Maganda. Actually, si Absolute Rider, nakikita mo yung convenience niya and actually mas mapapadali yung pag-ride mo. And one thing about Absolute Rider is ma-enjoy mo yung mismong ride, no? Meron na rin siyang parang CarPlay natin and also you have the camera. For example, magkaroon ng konting bumps and accident, so makikita mo siya. Si Absolute Rider din is that ang after sales nila maganda. Once magkaroon ng problem, madali silang kausap and maaasahan naman. And they have a lot of service centers na and partners nationwide. So, kay Absolute Rider na tayo. So again, if you want to chill like tambay, you can go to our cafe, no? Fullprint Manila Cafe, located in Parcal, Macapagal Boulevard, Parañaque City. And for those who want to like customize their riding jersey, you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram, it's Fullprint Manila. And we also have Shopee and Lazada, Fullprint Manila. So every now and then, we have a regular tambike here at the cafe. No? We partner with other brands and other motorcycle brands. And just check out our Facebook account. No? Lagi naman kami nag-update doon kung may mga event dito sa cafe. And we also have like monthly sale dito sa cafe. So punta lang kayo dito to chill and check out all our merchandise. And once again, my name is Mikoy Buriel.